What's up, everybody? Just want to share with you guys what I cooked the other night. That's my world famous garlic Parmesan chicken. Started there, everything off with just seasoning my chicken. Put a little of my magic hocus pocus on there. Boom. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Get a good little bit of flavor on there. Goes a little process of getting there. I hit one of my key ingredients, sweet baby Ray's garlic Parmesan sauce marinade. Put that on. Squirt it on there, rub it in, give it a little tender loving care, make sure it's up under the skin and everything like that. Get in all the crevices. Then gonna sprinkle some of my Parmesan on there. Prep it. Put it in the oven, let it cook for about almost 45 minutes. Then put another coat of the garlic Parmesan on there. Spread it. Put a little bit more of the Parmesan, grated Parmesan rather, on top of it. Look at it. Sizzling, delicious, brown. Boy. I was hungry as hell this night. Added a little bit of my roasted broccoli. Put a little olive oil on there. Put a little, get it all on there. One fell off, put it back on. Put a little seasoning on there. Put it in the oven at about 425, about 15 minutes. Let everything roast good. Look at that. It was good to go after that. Oh, delicious. I said, well, hell, what the hell? We add some more stuff to it. Add some brown rice. Let that cook and everything. It was one of them nights me and my sons were here, so we were real hungry. Mix a little butter in there. Throw a little soy sauce in there. Mix it up. And me and the fellas had a good time. Again, that's my world famous garlic Parmesan chicken. Went pretty good. Let me know what you guys think.